China's about to launch an insane drone mothership that could rival the most advanced aerial systems the United States has in its arsenal. It's known as Jiu Tian, which translates to 9 heavens. It is a massive jet-powered unmanned aerial vehicle which is designed to deploy swarms of up to 100 smaller drones mid-flight to overwhelm the enemy. From what we know so far, this drone mothership is engineered for high-altitude, long-range missions, and it has a maximum range of approximately 7,000 kilometers or around 4,350 miles and can operate at altitudes up to 15,000 meters or 50,000 feet, which in theory, it allows it to fly above many existing medium-range air defense systems. With that operational range, it means it could potentially fly from deep inside Chinese territory and still reach targets or conduct operations far beyond its borders. So far, it comes with a payload capacity of up to 6 tons, which means it can carry a variety of smaller drones and munitions. The mothership's primary function is to release vast swarms of drones and loitering munitions and kamikaze UAV from compartments on both sides of its fuselage. These drones are expected to work together as a swarm, overwhelming enemy air defenses through sheer volume and coordination. This is the kind of technology that is designed for taking control of contested airspace fast and efficiently to minimize losses on their side. But beyond its offensive capabilities, the Jiu Tian is equipped for multiple roles, including intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR, electronic warfare, high security transport, border defense, and emergency rescue operations. Its design allows for modular payloads, making it adaptable to various mission requirements. China's state-owned Aviation Industry Corporation is behind the design, and it was constructed by Xi'an Chida Aircraft Parts Manufacturing, a name that's becoming increasingly important in Chinese aerospace circles. According to Chinese media, the mothership is expected to take its first test flight in the coming days, and once it passes all the necessary evaluations, it could soon be deployed by the People's Liberation Army Air Force. Analysts are already comparing it to high-end American UAVs like the RQ-4 Global Hawk and MQ-9 Reaper, but what sets Jiutian apart is the concept of real-time drone swarm deployment mid-flight. Instead of relying on 1 or 2 high-value drones to carry out a mission, this mothership floods the sky with smaller units that can confuse radar systems, penetrate defenses, and even perform precision strikes if needed. It is a tactical shift that could have major implications for any nation trying to prepare for modern air combat.